Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy movement on this one today, and I mean, it was a crazy day across the entire market, but you look down here at the volume, and even more volume than what this thing has been having. And after the dust has settled, definitely a couple important levels, and levels that from a technical standpoint stand out pretty clearly. So this is not some sort of greatest discovery on my part or anything like that. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on here, with that first key level being right here at 15 cents. I mean, you can see a whole bunch of times the price came down to 15 cents, held as support, held as support. So that's very clearly one of those areas that a lot of people are going to be watching and, wondering, can this level hold as support? And if it can't, then that's where a lot of a self-fulfilling prophecy can come into play. And, no such thing as a guarantee. Those don't exist. But if 15 cents cannot hold up, and especially if it's a high volume break, then at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then eventually drift down to 12 cents, if not even lower than that. But to be fair, so far so good. That 15-cent mark is doing a good job of holding strong. In the event the price does try to bounce back upwards, then as I've talked about in past videos, it's still all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. And so keep an eye on that. That's currently valued at 21 cents. And that's a level where it is a moving average, meaning as the week plays out, that value is going to move and change. So you have to be more proactive with this. But as of right now, that is valued at 21 cents. So keep an eye on it. And the last 30 minutes here, pretty interesting with a surge of volume. And it's not like the price totally collapsed, but definitely a lot of eyeballs going to continue to be watching this one going forward. So let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.